Yeah, it's good.
Sure?
Yeah.
Is the lighting good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Don't make noise.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jimreen. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like this video too for more videos. Today's video is going to be unboxing my box swap.
We spent the weekend getting even. Ooh. We spent the late nights making things.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jimreen. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And for more videos, don't forget to like this video as well too. Today's video is going to be about unboxing my box swap. You probably can tell already by the title of this video. I'm so excited to show you what I got in my box swap. Box swap is one of the best things you could do on YouTube or just any social media. And I'm really excited I did this box swap with one of my besties on here. Her name is Debbie. I'm going to link her information down below or put her information right here so you guys can go and visit her channel and give her some love and subscribe to her channel as well too. She's one amazing girl. We just randomly met on YouTube and we just clicked because we have so much things in common. That's one of the best things I love on making friends here on YouTube, because if you don't even see that person physically, you can still make, you know, a connection with them and do special things like box swapping, you know. So yeah, thank you Debbie for everything and for being an amazing friend here on YouTube. So I don't want to talk so much because, you know, I don't want you guys to get bored. So let's go ahead and look into the box she sent me. She actually sent me a priority mail box like this. I actually already opened this box the very day I received it. I get so excited when I receive package in the mail and I cannot wait to open them. So I get so excited and I just dig into it. But I already opened this box. She sent me this box a little while back in July, and the reason why I'm doing this video right now is because I've been really busy and my camera broke on me and I got a new one. My parents are here and I'm just really occupied and busy. So I'm excited that I finally have this chance to show you guys what's in this box. So in this box it came with bubble wrap, obviously, just to keep the things from being destroyed. And this is how the box looks like inside. It's kind of messy now. It was actually really organized when I first got this box, but I look in through it already. That's why it's kind of unorganized now. But yeah, I kept everything. I haven't touched or used anything. It's because I wanted to show you guys what Debbie got me. Inside this box came with a little note. It just says Jimreen and a heart on it. It says, "Hey girl, thank you so much for doing this box swap with me. Hopefully you love everything. Super excited to see your video. Thanks for being an awesome subby, supporter, and friend. XOXO Debbie. P.S. Sorry for the shitty handwriting. Trust me, Debbie, my handwriting is worse than yours." So the first thing that caught my eye when I opened this box was this makeup bag. Like, how gorgeous this is. This is just a small pouch or makeup bag that you can store your little makeup in it. It's just really nice. Thing is, the printing of this bag is really tropical. It just reminds me of Hawaii. And yeah, it's like plumeria and little leaves on it. It's just freaking cool for summer. The next thing she got me are facial wipes by Wet n Wild. These are under the sheets ones. She got me some Bad Balm. These are from Halu. It's the Island Hibiscus Fairy Bad Balms. The next stuff she got me are these two things from Paley's and Harding, England. These are like more like soothing stuff for your feet. This one is a soothing foot lotion that comes with vitamin A, B, and C, and it's the sweet mandarin and grapefruit lotion. And same thing as this one, but this is the fruit soaked crystals. So I'm really excited to try those. The next thing she got me is this highlighting and blending sponge by e.l.f. She got me some collection by Jackie and Lauren cosmetic nail polish. I'm really excited to try those. She also got me some facial mask. She got me so much facial mask. Thank you, Debbie. These facial masks are from Cherry Cheek Facial Mask Company. She got me two different kinds, the black mud sheet mask and the argan oil sheet mask. She also got me some Wet n Wild Flossy lashes. She also got me some Wet n Wild brushes, which I'm really excited to use them because I've never owned any Wet n Wild brushes. And she got me 5 of them. She got me the contouring brush, the smoky liner brush, the angle liner brush, the small eyeshadow brush, and the large eyeshadow brush. So I'm really excited to try these. Wet n Wild is like an affordable brand that has so much good products. She also got me a Smooth Moisture Blonde Lipped by Sue A. New York. She got me some little eyeshadow palettes from Maybelline New York. She got me the shade 20Q Velvet Crushed palette. She also got me the Betel. She also got me the number 30 Petal to Metal shades. And number 15 Rose Revolution shade. She also got me a Wet n Wild blush in shade 831E. And she also got me a liquid liner from Ulta in color black. She got me some Wet n Wild lipsticks. She got me in shade Cherry Bomb. Let's swatch that for you. Cherry Bomb. She also got me shade Red Velvet as well too. I think these are good colors for fall. And then she also got me the dark wine color as well too. So these are the Wet n Wild lipsticks she got me. And last thing she got me is this Mega Glow Hello Halo highlighter by Wet n Wild as well too. I would open this, but I'll just show you guys next time if I ever do a makeup video with any luck using this product. So that's all the things she got me. Oh, one more thing. Oh, it's so cute. The last thing she got me is this little LA lip balm. Don't you think that's so cute? I think it's like a bear. But yeah, this is all the stuff Debbie got me. Thank you so much, Debbie. I'm so excited to try them. I hope you like your stuff that I send you. I can't wait till you post your video as well too. I have a feeling that we're both really behind. So yeah, hope to see your video, and I hope you love your stuff that I sent you. And for everyone that's watching this video, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm glad I got to share you guys and show you guys what Debbie got me. So yeah, don't forget to check out her page, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like this video. And I just want to thank you guys so much for supporting me, and you know, just being here always when I post a video. Sometimes I get so boring, but trust me, I will try my best to do, you know, any possible video that can be fun. So I'm excited to show you guys next video. And I think this is all for today because I'm running late for work. It's like almost time for me to go. So I'll see you guys in my next video. See you.
It's right between us, but now it's all good, babe. But I've got